In this series presented by Abir Pothi, we delve into the world of art crimes, a hidden realm where priceless pieces of art and heritage are stolen, smuggled, and traded far from their rightful places. The recent return of over 1,400 looted antiquities, valued at approximately $10 million, from the United States to India marks a pivotal moment in the global fight against illicit art trafficking and the restoration of cultural heritage. Announced on 15 November 2024 by the Manhattan District Attorney's Office, the repatriation stems from extensive investigations into criminal networks trafficking these valuable artifacts. Many of the returned items were once displayed in prominent institutions, such as the New York Metropolitan Museum of Art. The repatriation ceremony, held at the Indian Consulate in New York, underscored the significance of these artifacts as integral to India's cultural identity. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed gratitude to U.S. President Joe Biden for facilitating the process, emphasizing their importance to India's civilization and collective consciousness. This initiative also reflects the outcomes of a cultural property agreement signed between the United States and India in July 2024, aimed at curbing illegal trade and streamlining the return of stolen artifacts. Investigations targeted key figures like Subhash Kapoor, a US-based antiquities dealer convicted of orchestrating a multimillion-dollar looting operation. Kapoor, now serving a 10-year prison sentence in India, symbolized the broader crackdown on antiquities trafficking. Officials noted that these actions go beyond legal restitution, representing a growing recognition of cultural heritage's role in fostering international collaboration and understanding. Since 2016, the US has returned 578 artifacts to India. This landmark repatriation underscores the evolving significance of cultural diplomacy. Such efforts foster mutual respect between nations and reflect a shared vision of cultural heritage as a cornerstone of global understanding and cooperation. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned to Abir Pothi for more exciting content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.